What's up everyone, Coffers here. And if your windshield wipers are working like this, kind of a sluggish movement. So here I got a trick I learned before. Um, so this trick might work for some cars and might not work for some cars because I just found it in my way. So if this work, it's good. So let's just give it a try. So the first thing you want to do is uh, take this Motomax dashboard polish. It's available everywhere. Now let's lift the wiper up like this, and second one, and take a clean look at it. It's all filled with the dirt and grimes. It's so nasty. So please check this every month or every day you drive. Just to grab a piece of clean cloth and just wipe it up, so all that it should be dry, your towel should be dry. Look at all that dirt and grimes in there. Yuck. Now just take the dashboard polish and just randomly put it on the towels, and it should be a clean towel, guys. I'm repeating, it should be clean towel, otherwise just just takes off the job you have done. And I think my bottle is empty, it's just coming a little bit. It's time to buy. Just old bottle I just brought a couple of years back then, and just apply it on the surface of the wiper. Make sure you hold the wiper in one hand and just rub it on, because I'm holding the camera. So just rub that clearly. Add a couple of times if you like, just do it for the another one. It's very simple, guys. So guys, so let's I just prepared it, and let's just try it out. So this may work. Look at that, it's working. So that's it, guys. This is crystal clear. So yes, this trick works. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Coffers more DIY is coming out soon. So yes, that's it.